Welcome to the Intersect Meditation. Thank you for allowing me to lead you through this growing compassion meditation today. Sometimes we feel we're burdened by a soul injury. We may be experiencing feelings of emotional pain, hurt, guilt, shame, or helplessness. Maybe we simply feel not good enough. Practicing awareness, refocusing our attention inwards will allow us to grow love, kindness, and compassion for ourselves. Before beginning the practice, please find a comfortable posture that will help you keep your spine straight, either seated or lying down, whatever is comfortable. Notice where you place your hands. If you're seated, support them in your lap or by placing them nice and gentle, palms upwards on your knees. If you're lying down, place them by your side in the yoga mat in a yoga corpse pose. Now breathe naturally as we will begin the meditation. Keep breathing naturally. Imagine a dear friend or a loved one you know to be suffering right now. Perhaps a sick family member or a friend with problems. And imagine a light at your heart that connects with the heart of your friend. As the white light connects you, heart to heart, send compassion to them, saying, "May you be free of suffering and its causes." Feel yourself bathing in the gentle light of compassion while you're repeating this mantra silently. May I be free of suffering and its causes. May you be free of suffering and its causes. May I be free of suffering and its causes. May you be free of suffering and its causes. Now I'll mind the time. Please continue to recite this for 2 minutes. Remember to breathe naturally as the white light connects both your heart to your other friend's heart. And continue. Remember to breathe naturally as the white light connects you both, heart to heart, as you continue to recite, "May I be free of suffering and its causes. may you be free of suffering and its causes. As you're remembering to breathe naturally, do not force your breath. See the white light connecting your hearts, becoming a circle of light around you both. The light is bathing you in the gentle light of compassion. You radiate out to your surroundings. See yourself and your friend radiating the light of compassion out into infinity. May we be free of suffering and its causes. May all beings be free of suffering and its causes. Continue to breathe naturally. Repeat these phrases silently, mentally, for the next 2 minutes. May we be free of suffering and all its causes. May all beings be free of suffering and its causes. Now, enjoy the soft, gentle glow in your body. See compassion flowing from your heart out into the universe, and compassion reflected in your own heart. May we be free of suffering and its causes. May all beings be free of suffering and its causes. Now recite this mentally for 1 minute. May we be free of suffering and its causes. May all beings be free of suffering and its causes. As you continue to bathe in the soft glowing of compassion, turn your attention to your body and notice your feelings and sensations. Notice the part of you that is observing your body and recognize that awareness. That awareness. Recognize it. A peaceful, still part of you that witnesses everything without judgment. And we all have the capacity to keep that awareness with us throughout our day. As you're breathing naturally, slowly bring back your awareness and attention back into the room, back into your body. Wiggle your toes and fingers and slowly open your eyes. Thank you for allowing me to lead you today. Be grateful to yourself for the time you offered yourself today, for your motivation, for the attention you give to yourself. I thank you for practicing with me today. Give gratitude to your mind, your body, and your breath for allowing you to practice awareness. May you be happy. May you be well. May you be safe. May you be at peace and ease.